your hands touch your shoulders, come out to the side. That's your area. If you turn your hands over, that's where you want a kaholo. One hand's going to go forward, one hand's going to come across your chest, in the middle of your chest, the middle of your bathing suit top or your top. And that's where your hands are going to be. So when you do your kaholo to the right, you point to the right. When you go left, you're going to reverse it and go left. We start with our right foot forward, right hand on top. You listen for the beat and it goes. Oh, here we go. Step together, step the other way. Step together, step the other way. Step together, bend your knee. Don't touch your chest. Get your elbow up so it's not droopy. Don't bounce, don't bounce. Alava means to stop. So when he says alava, come back to the front. Put your hands on your hips, bend your knees. That was a kaholo. We're going to try an ami. An ami is a circle of the hips going to the right and to the left. Bend your knees. Take your hips to the right. Take your hips back. Take your hips to the left. Tuck your okole, your hind end forward and push it forward. So hands across your chest. Let me push it my sleeve. So it's going to go to the right, to the right, to the right. Now left. To the left, to the left, to the left. Follow. Step together, step. Step together, step. Step together, step. Ami. Right, right. Now left. Left, left, left. Follow. All right, John, you got it.
Ami.
To the right, right, right. Now left, 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 left.
Come on. Ami.
To the right, to the right, to the right. Now on the left.
Come on.
Bend your knees.
Hello.
Question. No. Ami cuckoo. 2 slow, 3 fast amis to the right. And what we do right, we reverse to the left. Then 2 left, 3 fast. From the kaholo.
Hold on. Go.
Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3. Left, left. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Ami.
Ami, 1, 2, 3. The other way. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Ami cuckoo.
Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3. Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. Ami, ami, cuckoo. Bend your knees. We're going to try a hella. You're going to extend your right foot forward. And see the knee that's bent? You're going to keep your knee bent and you're going to take this foot back and keep it bent. So you're still bent. Now the left, together. Now the right, together. Now the left, go left again. Left, so it's 4 on each. Right, left, right. Okay, that was good. You don't want to go boom, 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 boom. Stay down. Here we go.
Hello. Hello.
1, 2, hip, 3, left foot, left, right, left, not bad. You guys are going to be good. Put your elbow
Ami.
to the right. Now left. kalakaua. 8 counts on a kalakaua. We're going to do it forward and then we'll turn it. Left hand on your hip, right across your chest. We're going to do it front. So we're going to go front, take a whole change, back, and front, hold the count. 7, hold. Okay, again, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change your feet. Change hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2. Stay down. 4, 5, 6. Change your feet. Left front. Left back. Left front. Change your feet. Right front. Right back. Right front. Change your feet. Left front. Left back.
Kahola. Taka.
Forward and back and forward and change your feet. Forward and back and forward.
Kahola.
Okay, so I can turn it.
Mommy.
Right, right, right. Now left. Left, left, left.
Kahola.
Bend, bend.
Mommy cuckoo.
Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3. Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3.
Kahola. Ella.
Right, left, right. Use your left foot. Left, right, left, right.
Kahola. Kalakaua.
And front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change your feet. Left and back and front.
Kahola. Ella.
Question? We're going to take our right foot. We're going to step toward Don. So we're going to go forward and back and forward and turn to the other side. Forward and back. Go to Uncle Don again. The other side. Forward and back. Forward, other side. Forward and back. Forward. Okay, stop. When you step forward, don't open your hips. Let your hips stay sideways. So don't come here. Keep it forward. So your hips are here. Your foot's forward. From the kaholo.
Polo. Mommy.
Right, right, right. Now left. Left, left, left.
Kahola.
Excuse me.
Mommy cuckoo.
YYO, right? Half of the kalakaua. Okay. Half of the kalakaua. Your kalakaua is 8 counts. Your YYO is 4 counts. It's the same thing, forward and back. So we're going to go 1, 2, the other way. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, push it forward. 1, 2, 3, push your hip forward. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, and.
How are you?
Here we go. Push the foot. Now let's